Hello, Neha this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, and today we are at Bharat Mobility Expo 2025. Right now, I'm at Wheels India Pavilion, and we have Sri Vatsramso with us. So, kindly introduce yourself.
I'm Srivats Ram. I'm the managing director of Wheels India, and I'm also on the board of Axles India, uh, both the companies which are right behind you. Uh, from an auto expo perspective, Wheels India makes commercial vehicle and passenger car wheels. We are the leading manufacturer of steel wheels for passenger vehicles, also light commercial and heavy commercial vehicles.
Sir, what all components you're looking for?
So here what we are displaying is other than wheels. So we have developed wheels for specific heavy duty applications on both the LCV and the CV range. In addition to that, we have started supplying OEMs on the aluminum front. So we have aluminum related products that we're displaying. We also have wheels that we've developed for the aftermarket. So for the aluminum aftermarket, targeting some specific SUV segments, some specific regional markets in India, we are launching products here. Outside of wheels, we have a couple of interesting products. We do air suspension for buses and trucks, and we have an electronically controlled air suspension that we've developed for low floor city bus, working along with OEMs. We also have another product which is a tire pressure maintenance system. So that is when you're running a vehicle, the tire pressure keeps changing. As you're running for longer time, it gets heated up, and then the pressure can increase or can reduce and could cool down. What we are doing is we actually have a mechanism where we're able to maintain it within a small range. With this, we believe that both the tire life will improve and the fuel efficiency of the vehicle will improve. So it's a proof of concept. I think first time this product is being offered in India, and we're displaying it at the store. This actually came out from our working on central tire inflation systems, which are more a defense application. This is more for a commercial type of application on trucks and buses.
That sounds amazing. So, what are your expectations that the components show in terms of networking and market expansion?
So it's great because you have all the auto component manufacturers under one roof.
Yeah.
We get to meet, of course, our OEM customers come and visit us, and it allows you to pitch, especially new technologies, to some of them. And some of them can say, okay, let's look at that, and they have a team along with them and gives you a business opportunity. Second thing is for the aftermarket, because we also have fleet owners who come, state transport undertakings. We have clubs like Tar Club, for example, comes for aluminium wheels. It's an important segment. So we get these different groups of people to come in one arena and meet. And for those people, because you have all the component groups under one roof in this beautiful new Yashubhumi, it gives a great opportunity that with one visit they can see maybe 10-15 log.